Today we are going to see chapter number 1, that is rectification of error of standard 11 commerce subject account part 2. So today we will see the illustration where we are going to open the suspense account. So as we have already discussed in our part number 4, that part 4 of the chapter is already linked in the description, that there is a need to open a suspense account when we are in hurry to prepare final account and trial balance does not tally. So we have to open the suspense account where we can take the difference of the trial balance, and later on when we are going to find the error, that time we can close the suspense account. So that type of sum, let's see illustration number 4. This is the 5th part of the chapter, and 1 to 4 part is linked in the description. Let's see illustration number 4. Sri Harjit has tallied his trial balance by debiting a difference of rupees 1000 to suspense account, and thereafter he has prepared final account. After preparation of final account, the following error are detected. So here Harjit has already prepared the trial balance and he has debited the difference of 1000. So there is a debit side difference of 1000 in a suspense account, and here he has already prepared the final account, and after that he has find out this mistake. So let's rectify this mistake. So here transaction number 1 is a goods of rupees 3500 written by Bina is posted on the debit side of her account. So whatever goods is written, that is supposed to be credited, but it is debited. So we have to credit it twice, and for that we have to pass the journal entry with the suspense account. So first rectification entry will be suspense account debit to Bina's account, and the amount will be 7000. So let's pass that journal entry. First transaction will be suspense account debit to Bina's account. So here we can see that the amount will be 7000 being rectification for goods return of rupees 3500 wrongly posted or that. So here this journal entry is supposed to be passed. Now let's see the second transaction, that is the total of purchase return book is overcasted by 800. So here the purchase return is overcast. So here we have to debit the purchase return account and credit the suspense account. So our journal entry will be purchase return account debit to suspense account. As we know that the balance of the purchase return account is a credit and it is overcasted. So we have to debit the same amount. Second journal entry will be purchase return account debit to suspense account. Here amount will be 800 being rectification for overcast total of rupees 800 for purchase return. Harjit has paid rupees 600 to his personal medical bill and amount is debited to miscellaneous expense account. So here it is wrongly debited to miscellaneous expense account. It's supposed to be debited to drawing account. So here we can see that the miscellaneous purchase account supposed to be credited and drawing account supposed to be debited. So let's pass that rectification and drawing account debit to miscellaneous expense account and the amount will be 600 and here being rectification for personal expense debited to miscellaneous expense account. So for now let's see the next transaction, that is rupees 1200 received from Neela for rent is posted to the credit of her account as well as to rent account. So here when we are receiving the rent, it's supposed to be credited to rent account. It should not be credited to Neela account. So by mistake it is credited to Neela account. So for that Neela account supposed to be debited and suspense account supposed to be credited. So let's pass that journal. What one is it? Neela account debit. To suspense account. And here the amount is 1,200 being rectification for wrongly credited Neela account. So it is for that. Now let's see transaction number 5. So here goods of rupees 5,000 sold to Surendra is recorded in the purchase book. So it is a sales. So it's supposed to be written in a sales book, but by mistake it is written on the purchase book. So for that purchase book which is debited, that we supposed to credit it, and sales book that is not credited, that also supposed to be credited, and Surendra account supposed to be debited twice. So let's pass that rectification entry. Surendra account debit to purchase account to sales account. So here we can see that it is supposed to be debited by double amount, and purchase account supposed to be 5,000 and sales account supposed to be 5,000. Being rectification for wrongly recorded sales as purchase of that. So that is. Now let's see last transaction, that is rupees 6,000 paid to Esa for repayment of loan is not posted in her account. So here the posting is remained. So for that when we are paying to the Esa's loan account supposed to be debited, and here it is not done. So here a rectification entry will be ESA's loan account debit to suspense account. Let's pass that rectification and read. Bin rectification form. Rectification form is as loan account omitted to post, to be posted. So for that. So here we can see that all the transactions are finished. Now let's make the total of the journal. So here you can see that the total of the journal is 25,600. So students, you may note down this, then we are going to prepare suspense account. Let's see the suspense account. So as we know that the balance of the suspense account is on the debit side and it is the 1000 rupees. So let's write that. So here to balance on the first page, to balance brought down 1000 rupees. Then we can see that on first journal entry suspense account debit. So on the debit side of suspense account, we will write to Bina's account. On the same date, that is it, first date, then we will write to Bina account 7,000. Then after that, on second day, we can see that the purchase account debit to suspense account. So on the credit side of suspense account, we will write by purchase return account. Second, by purchase return account. And the amount is 800. So for third day, there is no purchase, no suspense account. Now let's see for the fourth day, Nila's account debit to suspense account. So on the credit side of suspense account, we will write by Nila's account. Nila account. So that will be 1200. After that, we can see that for the date number 5th, there is no suspense account, and on date number 6, ESA's loan account debit to suspense account. So on the credit side of suspense account, we will write by ESA's loan account, and the amount will be 6,000. So here, if we can tally the total amount, we can see that the both side total is equal, and that is 8,000. So here our suspense account is closed, as there is no balance, no debit balance, no credit balance in this account. So we can see that by rectifying the error, the suspense account can be closed. So you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.